Shabbat Shalom. This is your brother Yael Ezra Ben Levi coming at you again with another video. Lately, the talk I have been hearing a lot of people talking about unity. When will we finally come together and unify as a people? I believe one of the first things we must discuss is what is unity. Because some people, now I'm going to share my thought, my opinion. I could be wrong with the things that I'm about to say. This is my opinion. But I believe we cannot come together as a people because many people think to unify means to think alike on everything. I mean, everything. And if you do not think like me, there's no way in the world we can unify. I do not believe that is what coming together in unity means. I believe it means we come together on a certain issue that affects all of us. And we put aside our differences to come together to confront, to eradicate that issue that is confronting our community. Now, I would like to share this as an example. In the community where I live, we have white people, we have blacks, we have Indians, we have all types of people here, even though it's predominantly black. We have people that are Christians, Jews, Muslims. We have some people that don't claim anything at all. But one thing we have in common is we will not allow drugs to come into our community. And since we strongly believe we must make a stand against drug dealers coming inside our community, we decided to do something about it. We decided to set up watch. We decided to set up checkpoints to stop the drugs from coming in the community. That is people coming together and unifying on a common goal. Even though we all didn't believe the same, we did not all look alike, we did not all talk alike. But what we did do, we agreed on a common issue that was affecting all of us. And since there was a common issue, we came together in unity to deal with it. Now, many within the Israelite community cannot unify because there's just too many differences that people cannot get past in order to come together and do a work. Somebody will not build with me because I say Yahweh. Another person say Yahuwah. Another person say Yahweh. Some people are so strong in that opinion of the pronunciation of the name. And I'm not saying it's a light thing, but if we were coming together to help move an elder's furniture out, some wouldn't be able to work alongside of me because of that one thing. I don't agree with that brother. He said how he says the name. I can't work with him. I'm out. Something like that will stop people from coming together for a common good to unify to help this elder move. People also will not come together because some people recognize other books. And some people like, I can't work with him. That brother's in the Apocrypha. That brother's in the Yasher. That brother's in the Lost Books of Adam. He's all over the place. I can't deal with him. Brother, I only need you to come together to help me pick up a couch. You do not have to believe like me. You do not have to read the same books as me. But can we come together, put aside our differences, and come together and confront an issue that we have for the betterment of our people, for the betterment of our community? That is why unity is so hard for us to grasp because we have a misunderstanding on what it is to unify as a people. Many people think you got to be on one accord in all things. I do not believe that. We have to be on one accord on that issue that we want to confront. If we know that all colored men are being shot, we could unify on that because we're all men of color. And if we could come together on that, on what can we do to change the tides, what can we do to better protect one another. I don't care if you're a Muslim, I don't care if you're a Baptist, a Presbyterian, I don't care if you're a Hebrew Christian. The problem is you my brother, you're a brother of color, and the people are targeting us. They're not saying, hey, look at that brother right there, he's a Hebrew, I want him. Oh, no, I don't want the Hebrew, I want the Muslim. All they see is black and brown skin, high yellow skin, red bones. It don't matter. You're black in their eyes. So we have a common issue on just our basic right to survive. So we could come together on understanding our lives matter and what can we do to protect one another. That we could unify on. But I don't need you to believe like me. I don't need you to talk like me. But I need you to come up, stand up like a man, come to the plate and be ready to play ball because we have a common issue. We have a common enemy that has to be dealt with. So I hope you get a better understanding on what I mean on unity. Unity is us coming together to form a unit, to form a cohesive group. But that is on coming together on issues that we could agree on. Because as it says in the scripture, how can two walk together except they agree? That do not mean except they agree on everything. That means them coming together and agreeing with that which they need to agree with to have unity. And this is your brother Yael Ezra Ben Levy. Shalom, love, and blessings. Peace.